The first time I helped a client get relief from tinnitus, it was just a side effect of the work we were doing together. She came to me years ago for something completely non-related. I saw her for several weeks. She'd gotten great results, and we were celebrating and just talking, and she said, "Oh, I never did think to mention to you. I had tinnitus for years, and it is just gone now." I didn't even know what it was. I had to ask her, and she explained it was ringing in the ears and that she'd had it years. So over the years, I have worked with several private clients who came to me for other non-related things, and at the end of our work, they would always comment that the tinnitus was gone. Tinnitus, whatever you want to call it, is fine. Years later, now, I have found out that it is affecting millions of people, and this big, bad, awful, untreatable, incurable thing. Except that I know something different.